Looking for a smartphone that packs powerful performance, a massive battery, and premium features without breaking the bank? Meet the all-new Infinix Note 60. Released in March 2026, this device brings impressive upgrades in almost every aspect, making it one of the most interesting mid-range phones right now. Starting from the design, the Infinix Note 60 feels solid and premium. It features a glass front protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, combined with an aluminum frame and aluminum back. It's also IP64 rated, meaning it's resistant to dust and splashes. At just 7.5 millimeters thin and weighing 199 grams, it still feels comfortable in hand, despite packing a huge battery. On the front, you get a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. It supports ultra-high brightness up to 4,500 nits peak, making it very usable even under direct sunlight. The resolution sits at 1208 by 2644 pixels, delivering sharp visuals with vibrant colors, perfect for gaming, streaming, and daily use. For photography, the Infinix Note 60 comes with a 50-megapixel main camera equipped with OIS, paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It supports 4K video recording at 30 FPS, delivering stable and detailed footage. On the front, there's a 13-megapixel selfie camera that also supports 4K recording, making it great for video calls and content creation. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultimate chipset, built on a 4-nanometer process. Combined with 8 GB of RAM, it delivers smooth performance for multitasking and gaming. Running on Android 16 with XOS 16, Infinix also promises up to 3 major Android upgrades, which is a big plus for long-term usage. One of the biggest highlights is the massive 6,500 mAh battery. This means you can easily get through a full day or even more on a single charge. It supports 45-watt wired charging, reaching 50% in just 26 minutes, and full charge in under an hour. Plus, there's also 30-watt wireless charging and bypass charging for gaming. For audio, the Note 60 features stereo speakers tuned by JBL, along with high-res audio support for better sound quality. It also includes useful features like an under-display fingerprint scanner, NFC, infrared port, and even an RGB notification light on the back for a unique touch. Overall, the Note 60 offers a solid combination of performance, display quality, and battery life, making it a strong contender in the mid-range segment. If you're looking for a feature-packed smartphone with modern specs, this might be worth checking out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.